Your home is your castle. You need doors and windows that easily open whenever you want and stay securely closed when needed. That's why, when buying new doors and windows, the most important part to consider is the locking solution. At MACO, we've specialised in developing the highest quality locking hardware for over 75 years. Headquartered in Austria, manufacturing is exclusive to our own European factories, ensuring that all of our products meet the highest quality EU and British standards to guarantee smooth and reliable operation and energy efficiency. Safety and security is at the heart of what we do, so we ensure above industry standard testing and have gained approval across our range from Secured by Design, the Police Security Initiative. As a sustainable manufacturer, we've honed the manufacturing and transportation of our products to have minimal impact on the planet. All MACO locking solutions are protected against corrosion thanks to our industry-first self-healing surface protection, Silverlook EVO. MACO tilt and turn hardware is known around the world for its high performance, longevity and security. An ideal solution for space-saving safe ventilation thanks to the ability to tilt inwards. It ensures smoother operating windows due to reduced resistance through seamless fitting components. In a third of window burglaries, the lock has been forced, so tilt and turn is built to ensure maximum security due to locking points around the entire window. To find out more about MACO's quality door and window solutions, ask your installer or visit our website.